So really quick, I want to talk about how to use the newest version, the in development version of Deform. So you got a mesh you want to deform, you click it, add component, type deformable, you've got your deformable mesh, you've got your list of deformers, the plus button. You can either create your deformable on the same object or any other object. I'm going to create it on the other object because you have a little bit more control. So I'm going to call this twirl because I want to create a twirl deformer. I'm going to zero it out, add component, twirl deformer. I don't want it to be unlimited, I want it to be limited, so it's only within the inner and outer range. I'm going to move it over one, I'm going to rotate it like this so that it twirls this way instead of this way. Going to go to the cube, add the twirl to the deformers list. Now it's ready to twirl. I just need to increase the angle. So I do this by just moving the handle or changing the inspector value. Now I can move it around and it works in world space. Pretty cool. Where it gets super cool is that you can duplicate this object and it just works in world space. They all have the same reference to the same twirl deformer, and now you can move the twirl deformer around, increase the radius, increase the inner radius, and get this weird magnifying effect. It's pretty cool. You can rotate it. Pretty simple example.